UMLA ke mau kerwat uba Renikton tong khalak Kmen Palat jerut ban yo no ya ka Surok ke bahe na duk wailoi shiduk mau kerwat rangtong ke bedai kamat ke ba angnut slemba ki Paidbah si benta ban ai burom mek soka MDE tu hapo ke jingram terang ba konat ke sangma uba Renikton la Phah Ieng bat Phah Thap ti ki Paidbah sya aga jingpli ukonrat yo monong rim hamau kerwat mentakasngi ya kani ke Surok ke bajrong kumba sau pau kilometer na wailoi serang thong on sina ha ka jing he intermediate route ha ka jing mang pisa ka ba si spa sau phau Klur na ka platengka ka soka jil ha ka jing bu manong rim mata kasi rasa kilang usembut bitang ba pestun tensong KME kan thu ba olan sing sun jong mau seram ba ME ka raniko ba pius marwen na lo ki wei pan
Gidaun teradau pakau berkata kalau banging lek Kmen pas kungu ya kasoka mereka jongi hak jingalam jo isar konrat kesalma rekat isar prestun tenso kiba pun orang ya kena jadi post nail jo kiba pun kiba lang Paidbah jo kasar west kases in general but Paidbah jo kamau keluar constituency in particular kiba lakwa yang banjoi ya kena urlong jo dari Surok hak wilayah yang kena Surok kabas nail labor bor kalkulisna Sasi sempat kongkadak jom kaji Kmen. Ya kena ketinggalan ko yang mau nomrem pasal di Kmen. That is Honorable Chief Minister. Rekat Isar President. Ngajar pada di baru tiba deh tiba slow try so kena dokter time. But tiba slow kena Surok ke benefit ke mentoy ya di baru kena Surok intermediate le. Ngajar pada di baru kita hanggo. Ngapo agi calling yang shall we all rise to express our gratitude to the government Meghalaya for bringing this big development of this road infrastructure in this part of southwest hills and particularly at Mawkerwat. Shall we all rise? Kami yang berhak pada air di Thapti kepajang dengan kepada Surok Meghalaya. Kami yang berhak. On behalf of people of Southwest Hills in general and on behalf of the people of Mawkerwat in particular, I once again express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister who has dared to give the sanction for this big project, and to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri President Tenso who has initiated for the department to ensure that we get this big project today. And we are happy to be here to be part of this project of the government of Meghalaya. Honorable, let's say, bila orang berdaya next day berkementam, ngapa berdaya kita Indonesia, makanya kesini jadi Kmen kedua. Bat ngasuh Kmen, banyo ir bartit, bawa pi baru pi Paidbah tu mereka dong bertahan kita sorbet kesini. Ia don bertarang antara Kmen kebanggaan Kmen. Banyo i ia kabar satu lokal lo yang kena Surok. Kabarnya ando lah bor kau tulisnya.
Cikema jadi Paidbah jom kamau kerwat konstituensi kamau Serang konstituensi Batu Kumju Karaniko konstituensi Barok Kawai. I am so thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister who has ultimately consented to be here the whole day today for laying the foundation stone of this important project, 140 crores, starting from Wailon up to Renikton village, covering of the distance of not less than 40 kilometers. Sir, under your leadership, we are as we are today. We are as we are today and we have seen too that Meghalaya is already in the right direction. Other states in different parts of India are looking to Meghalaya. And friends, you are all aware that we are of today the third state performing third fastest growing state in India. I think it's a blessing from the above that Meghalaya, such a small state, people like us, we are now competing with the big states in India, and we are number 3 in front of the government of India. We have seen the quality that you have, and we have also seen the commitment you made to serve the state of Meghalaya.
I feel honored and privileged to be part of this program of laying the foundation stone for competition of road from Paidbah to Renikton to Palat. Maybe some of you may get strange why I'm here. Most around and why I come here to Paidbah. The reason is because this 14 kilometers stretch of road, 14 kilometers pass through my constituency. So I'm proud that I'm part of your program. I'm also proud that this stretch of road covered 14 kilometers of my constituency. So I give thanks to Masuba. They think you know only the name Marba. The name is Surok has some kilometer away in Baka constituency here. The name is Surok we are now. We were short and so 4 kilometer has some kilometer away in Baka Masuba. The Subanai Kabi, Honorable Lady Homa, Latrisham, Bola, Atmedia, the Kmen, Ya Deputy Chief Minister Joey, Chief President Tulson, but Kajimuto Yupi, Kajimuto Jana, Kajimuto, Jim Fight Constitution, Jim Lightly Constituency.
I extend a warm greeting to you all in this special occasion ceremony, the laying foundation stone of connecting the road from Paidbah to Palat up to Renikton, upgradation and widening from single lane into intermediate lane. I also look to a day that further extend towards the Renikton, that this link road from Renikton to Renikton is 30 kilometers, but it's not connect only to the district, but is connectively up to South Carolina.